You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in English. I know it is a little bit confusing, but we've got tons of plant names pronunciations here. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more, and to the end. Bugloss. Okay, I know it looks like it should be pronounced as Bugloss for some reason. Maybe the bugs are losing something with this plant? No, Bugloss. 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 Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.